Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about visualization library which is called as Matplotlib. Let's explore what is Matplotlib, what all things we can do with the Matplotlib, what is the usage of it. Matplotlib is a Python library used to visualize data using different charts, plots, graphs, which helps you in understanding the patterns, trends, and relationships in your data. It's pretty much similar to your Excel charts, but here we use a Python version which is more flexible and you have to use a programming in order to plot a graph. So one simple understanding that you have to get it here is, what is the easiest way that somebody can understand what is happening in their business? How do you know how well your business is running? Obviously, visualization plays a very important role. If you look into a data set, you don't understand anything. The easiest way, if somebody could understand data, means using visualization by plotting different graphs. So, why we use a matplotlib? With this matplotlib, it basically helps in understanding our data visually. We'll understand where it's increasing, where it's decreasing, patterns, outliers, lot many things. To create a professional quality plots for reports and dashboards, you can use a matplotlib. You can customize everything like giving different colors, labels, sizes, font can be changed. You can use the different styles as well. And to combine with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, you can use this matplotlib. And the key features of Matplotlib are it supports many plot types, fully customizable visualization can be created, can export plots as images. Whatever plots you're gonna plot, you can export it. Works well with a Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, and also with a Streamlit, and forms the foundation for advanced visualization libraries like Seaborn and a Matplotlib. Sorry, Seaborn and a Plotly. And the different graphs that we can plot using Matplotlib are like histogram, line chart, scatter plot, bar chart, box plot, and also the pie chart. So these are the top 6 graphs that we can plot it using a Matplotlib. Not just that, you can also plot multiple graphs in one single shot. We call it like a subplot. So there are a lot of things that you can explore with Matplotlib. And advancement towards a Matplotlib is, Seaborn and a Plotly. So in our upcoming videos, let's explore each one of them, like, what is histogram, when to use it, what is scatter plot, what is line chart, what is bar chart, pie chart, and also how to plot a box plot. And also we'll explore how we can plot multiple graphs in one single shot. So this is all about, introduction to Matplotlib that you people have to remember. Simple. It's a visualization library which helps you in understanding your data by plotting different graphs. Different graphs are like histogram, line chart, scatter plot, bar chart, box plot, and a pie chart. You should have a knowledge of when to use the graph, in which scenario, what variables are important, and also one more important thing is understanding your graph. Once you plot a graph, you should also know how to read the graph, like what information you are getting from a graph. That's like super important. We call it like writing insights. Okay, so this is all about a matplotlib. Thank you. Happy learning. In next video, let's explore the first graph, which is histogram.